Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for joining. So in this project, I've been seeing online a lot these animal planters. Due to health reasons, I don't get out to many stores. When I get a chance, I'll go out here and there. But I thought to try to make these animal planters out of these Michael vases that I have. I've been spring cleaning slowly. So you take the styrofoam ball and you cut it in half, and you have to shave it down to get that concave so you can glue it properly on the fishbowl. So as you can see here, I've sanded it down and now it fits right on that middle part there. Obviously you can't use hot glue, so tacky glue works good. If you got some other glue, you can use it, and just leave it overnight or whatever to cure properly. I took Mod Podge and I put it on the styrofoam because you can't spray paint on the styrofoam, and then I spray painted it with, I regretted it, with the flat white, but we'll see later what I did. Now with these bamboo sticks, you bend them slowly to get that curvature. And over here you can see I'm slowly cracking them so that they don't break apart, and I'm making the rooster feet. These little pieces are from my last project. If you take a look, I can put the link, or if you go in my videos, you'll see it. I made that bunny vase. It was using the chunky yarn, and I made it out of Dollar Tree wood plaque. So I had to take some of the pieces off. So I'm using those for the feathers and tail. Obviously it's not wood, it's sort of that cardboard, material. And I was going to use modeling paste to give it texture. So I'm just filling in some pieces that cracked off, and to layer it to give it that texture of feathers. Over here on the wings, I'm building up to give the wing dimension. So you can see I'm using this tool here to fluff it up and make it look like feathers. Here is the comb. They call it the comb on the top, and so I'm just giving it also dimension. Now remember, it was drying, so I had to cut a little bit of the curvature for the comb to fit properly. Now it fits properly on the styrofoam ball, and I'm just using white chalk paint to paint the back side of the wings. Now the orange that I had was a jack-o'-lantern, so it was really pumpkin orange. So I put in a little bit of red to kind of tone it down. I had these little pieces from some project that I did, and you know, if it's a little bit dry, you can put a little bit of water and it'll, if you need it, it will shape back up to be able to work at it. I had this steel rod from something and I just poked a hole in the styrofoam for me to be able to stick that in there. Those other white pieces are for the next project. I'm using the smaller pieces to make the beak. And then just dab a little bit of water, anything that you're sealing together or any seams that you want to close up, and just dab your finger in some water and it'll do that. I think that looks like a beak, does it not? Guys, I would really appreciate it if you leave some comments. It really would help my channel. YouTube is changing the algorithm and really help. Even if you put a word in there, rooster, whatever you want to put in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, if you thought it was cute or something, or just put the word rooster in it, it would really help my channel a lot. I would really appreciate it. I just stopped the video there, but I did put tape underneath later so it wouldn't stick to the paper towel. I have to tell you that E6000 will remove some of your paint, just to let you know. So if you are gluing the pieces and you slide the piece of wood or cardboard, if you're going to use whatever, it will remove some of your spray paint. So I touched it up, as you can see the difference in the color. I touched up with the dabber some watered down chalk paint, and you can tell the difference. So in the end, I did do the whole thing with a dabber and some watered down paint because I was not happy with the difference in the color, obviously. And to be honest, I think I should have used gloss white. I went with matte white spray paint that I had in my garage, and I should have grabbed the gloss white one. Do whatever color you please, and if you don't have spray paint, you can use a dabber as well. You don't have to do it with spray paint if you don't want to. I'm using those Dollar Tree googly eyes. If you've got them, those are great. You can draw them in if you want. Once spring fully comes in, I don't know about you, but it's cold here now, you can try to use this outdoor. So I'm putting on this gloss varnish, number one, so the paint doesn't scratch off, and number two, you could put it outside if you want. Guys, that's it. It's so simple to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.